yesterday we discussed watching a fun YouTube video where your student can hear Dr. Seuss books read out loud to them. Then we talked about making a T-chart as a graphic organizer and a great way to help your students get their ideas on paper and then organize their thoughts. So here is that T-chart that we made yesterday, and now they will be able to use this T-chart as they begin their writing. So if your student chose yes, they would like the Cat in the Hat to come and visit at their house, what they will then do is get out their paper and they can begin their writing. I would want the Cat in the Hat to visit at my house because, and then they will start to use all of the different ideas that they put on the yes side of your T-chart. If they would not want the Cat in the Hat to visit, then they would say, I do not want the Cat in the Hat to come to my house because, and then here are the different sentences that they can use for all of the different reasons that they decided on no. Remember, when your student is writing, you should sit right there with them and help finger stretch all of those words out so that they're able to hear all of the different sounds that are in those words. Remember, our students will write what they phonetically hear using their invented spelling, so not every word will be spelled correctly. And then, of course, remember to remind them to write neatly, form your letters from top to bottom, make sure that they have finger spaces between their words, that they start their sentences with a capital letter, and that they put proper punctuation at the end of their sentence. Of course, after your student writes all of their sentences, and remember this can take a day, 2 days, maybe even 3 days to complete their writing, then you can go back through that editing checklist and look for all of those things that we just spoke about, as well as making sure our letters are the correct direction as well. Then they can go to that top part of the paper and they can draw their picture to go along with all of the sentences that they just wrote about. Happy writing!